Hey! When I'm yeah, I'm going home. And when I wanna go home, I'm going mobile. Keeps me moving. Yeah, keep moving. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. So you want to keep up with the Donnie Sports 17 Network when you're on the move? Download my app. The Donnie Sports 17 Network app is available now at Google Play, and it's a free download for Android mobile devices. Yes, if you got an Android phone or a tablet, you can download the Donnie Sports 17 Network right now. And if you have an iPhone or iPad, you'll get yours later this summer. Take the app wherever you go. So whatever you do, be mobile. Take my app. Get it now. Get down on it. Come on now. Get down on it. Ha, ba. Get down on it. Come on now. Get down on it. Ba, ba. Get down on it. If you really want it. If you really need it. If you gotta have it. Get down on it. If you really need it. If you really want it. If you gotta have it. Get down on 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 it.